Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we've got a fantastic topic that's going to add that perfect touch of coziness and style to your home, choosing the right area rug for every room. I'm thrilled to be your guide through this rug-tastic journey. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty detail, if you enjoy home decor tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Importance of area rugs. Alright, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why are area rugs so important? Well, not only do they add warmth and comfort to your space, but they also tie the room together, making it look well put together and inviting. Size matters. Now, let's talk about size. One of the most common mistakes people make is choosing the wrong sized rug for their space. To avoid this, consider the size of your room and the furniture within it. Imagine your rug as the anchor for your furniture in the living room. Make sure it's large enough to fit under all your seating furniture. In the dining room, ensure it accommodates both the table and chairs, even when they are pulled out. Material magic. Moving on to materials, because yes, the material matters. Each room has its own vibe, and your rug's material can enhance or dampen it. For high-traffic areas like the living room, opt for durable and stain-resistant materials like wool or synthetic fibers. In bedrooms, you can go for something softer like cotton or shag for that extra comfort underfoot. Color chronicles. Now, let's dive into the world of colors. Choosing the right color for your area rug can transform the entire room. Lighter colors can make a room feel more spacious, while darker shades add coziness. Don't be afraid to experiment with patterns and textures, but make sure they complement your existing decor. Remember, your rug doesn't have to match everything, but it should harmonize with the overall color scheme of the room. Practical tips. Before we wrap up, here are some quick-fire tips to ensure you nail your rug selection. Layering. Experiment with layering rugs for a trendy, dynamic look. Maintenance. Choose a rug that suits your lifestyle and is easy to clean. Budget. Set a realistic budget. There are great options at every price point. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing the right area rug for every room in your home. Remember, it's all about finding that perfect balance between style and functionality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends who are on a mission to transform their living spaces. Subscribe for more home decor tips, and as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy rug hunting!